Hey explorers, today we are exploring synonyms for resilient, a strong word for those who bounce back no matter what. Tough, strong, and able to handle hardship. She is tough enough to deal with any setback. Durable, long lasting, and not easily broken. Used for people too. His durable mindset helped him survive the toughest phase. Hardy, strong, and able to endure difficult conditions. Only the hardy climbers reach the summit. Unyielding, doesn't give up or bend under pressure. Her yielding spirit was inspiring. Adaptable, flexible, and quick to adjust in tough situations. Being adaptable is key to staying resilient in change. Be resilient in your goals and bold in your words. Hit subscribe for more Power Pack vocab.